Jared Boyd here, physical therapist at Rehab to Perform in Frederick, Maryland. Here to talk about how to implement proper warm-ups. We talked about the RAMP method, the RAMP, in regard to implementing a proper strategy and making things a little more efficient. Specifically now, we're talking about R, raising our blood flow, raising our heart rate, raising our respiratory rate, and our joint viscosity throughout the body. So here we're thinking of things that are very specific in regard to movement. We're thinking of marching, skipping in different positions in different planes rather than simply jogging, because now we get a little more dynamic activity involved throughout the entire body. So I'm going to show you all some strategies you can use and some movements you can use before you get into your run. So first up is going to be our marching. We're thinking about how do we maintain a nice neutral position in our torso so that we're not extended in the low back. We want to remain tall and long throughout all of these positions. So here, first up, we're going linear. With this, you're thinking of applying force into the ground and progressing forward. Here, I'm on the ball of my toe, making sure my heels do not hit. Next up, we have our lateral or sideways progression for marching. Same principles apply. I don't want to go into this position. I want to remain nice and neutral torso, nice and tall. Here, I'm pushing with my inside leg rather than reaching with my outside leg. Next up, after marching, we can go into our skipping. We're going forward here, linear. Start off with the march, and simply think about applying force into the ground. We can also do skipping lateral or sideways, pushing with the inside rather than reaching with the outside leg. Here, march, and you progress to this skip. Lastly, we can also do a combine, or as some people call it, karaoke. Here in this position, start off with the march. We'll go under, skip, over, skip. Under, skip, over, skip. Think those three principles, marching, skipping, and then the karaoke or combine, can be great strategies to increase heart rate and make sure that we implement our strategies. And next up is A, activate.